क्षत्रिय का। सदियों से पुष्पित पल्लवित भारतीय संस्कृति विश्व की महान संस्कृति है। आज हमारी जनसंख्या ज्यादा है, लेकिन हम दुनिया के सबसे युवा राष्ट्र हैं। तो चलिए इसी ताने बाने को प्रदर्शित करती हमारी ये नाटिका।
Oh, please move. What's going on here? There is so much crowd.
Please, bhai, move aside.
Ayyo, Babita, shift a little.
What is it, Chaddo ji? Nikki, everyone have to adjust. Oh, there is so much overcrowd here.
What do you think? Why there is so much overcrowded and overpopulation in India?
No, it is not like this one. Nah, this is unity. We Indians love each other. What's a Babita? What do you think?
Anji, you are right. Why you are wearing such clothes so vibrant and shabby?
I think they are from different reasons.
Ayyo, brother, you are absolutely right. India has a diverse culture. Every state has different clothing style, different rituals, and different cuisines.
In Punjab, we eat aloo paratha in breakfast because assi Punjabi assi. And my husband, he just loves to eat idli and dosa in breakfast, in lunch, and also in dinner. Okay, you have a great culture, but what about this unemployment, overpopulation, and AIDS in India?
How these peoples are surviving? There is so much congested and competition here.
And our government is working upon illiteracy, unemployment, and overpopulation. There are various schemes and programs introduced and implemented by the government to overcome this problem.
Oh, Paji, there is no problem which is bigger than Indians will. Because you don't know about Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, बच्चे तो ही अच्छे.
Babita, you are absolutely right.
Oh, well, but I can't sit here. Panchai ji, don't worry. We are Indians. We have a big heart, so you can sit on my place. I will stand.
Oh, thank you so much, sister.
And now even you can sit on my place also.
No, brother, I'm okay. You can sit.
Oh, तुझे छड्डो जी, तुझे तो झप्पी पाओ.
Yeah, she is right. Just give me a hug.
भाऊ आता काय करावे? Would you like to come with me? I am a guide. I will give you a tour and also you can stay at my home.
Now your problem is solved. He is a good guy and provide you a honesty facility.
Okay, bro, we can go.
तो देखा आप सभी ने कैसे हम खुद की सुविधा की जगह पर दूसरों के सुख को महत्व देते हैं और अतिथि सत्कार की अपनी परंपरा से सबका दिल जीत लेते हैं। हंसी और खिलखिलाहट के इसी सिलसिले को आगे बढ़ाते हैं भिड़े, मालवी, बाबूजी और अन्य कलाकारों के माध्यम से।
Madhvi, कुठे आहे?
थांबा.
Look, we have a guest at our home today. They are from USA. They will have dinner with us. Make something nice.
Okay, first let me do aarti. आइए पधारिए मेरे मेहमान जी, आइए पधारिए मेरे मेहमान जी, आपका हमारे घर में स्वागत है.
आइए पधारिए हमारे मेहमान जी.
What's that, Padar?
That means you are respectively entered in our home.
Okay, just make them seated and
Please
comfortable.
have a seat. Have a seat. Let me introduce you my Ai Baba. They are most senior in our family.
They live with their parents? What do you think? How many members are there in family? Just ask them.
Oh man, how many members are there in your family?
There are 12 members are in our family. Namaskar Bapuji.
Namaskar, Bada. Who is this eminent pretty woman with you?
They appointed me as a guide and they will live with us for few days.
That's great. This will enhance the environment of our home because your younger brother is also not at home in Saisal and Chandigarh for a college trip.
You people live with your parents? Is it normal in India that 12 people live in a home?
Yeah, Bada. It is the culture of art that parents live with their children. After They settled down, married throughout their till last breath of her parents.
And don't you think that it is inappropriate to leave our parents when they need us the most?
Yeah, but in our culture, we live separately from our parents because of privacy concerns and independence. We feel more productive and free when we live alone.
Yeah, Bala, it is the beauty of different cultures and we respect our culture and beliefs. But we are proud of our culture that having moral and ethics.
Yeah, your beliefs are wonderful. Can I see your home? Yeah, sure. Why not? Come with me.
You can also come with me.
Look, this is my room. Oh wow, what is the smartphone? Where you got that? I didn't got it from anywhere. I made this. Oh, that's wonderful. Can I buy one from you? No, I don't sell my paintings. I just made them. You don't sell them? You can earn very good from these paintings. Go bye. I never thought of selling my paintings or doing any business. Okay, but why? My parents never allowed me to do work. So why would my in-laws will? Your parents, why they didn't allow to do this? My parents have a very orthodox thinking. They thought that girls should stay at home and do household chores and look upon their parents and family. And after marriage, they should look upon their husband and children. Okay, that's wonderful. But every individual have their identities by doing the work they like. Yes, you are right. So you can earn your own money, which make you independent and happy. So have you ever conveyed this to your in-laws and husband? No, but you are right. I should ask them. So that's the spirit. Let's go then. Okay. Hey Sonuki Baba, I want to ask something to you.
Yes, go ahead.
If I sell my paintings or do any business, do you have any problem?
Yes, I don't have any kind of problem. Why you don't ask to them? Come with me and then ask.
Okay. Babuji, I want to ask something to you.
Yeah, Bala, sure, you can ask.
If I do any business or sell my paintings, you have any problem?
No, of course you can do whatever you like.
You are like a Saisha, our daughter.
If she is allowed to do whatever she wants, then why would we restrict you to work upon your dreams?
There are so many women in our country like captain of India cricket team, folk art sister, who does wrestling and take part in Olympics. Manu Bhaker, Kalpana Chawla, Kiran Bedi, the list is so big. They make India proud and we want our daughter also to do the same.
Yes, Bada, and best of luck for your bright future. Thank you so much.
जैसा कि आप सभी ने देखा कि किस तरह माधवी ने भारतीय संस्कृति के साथ विदेशी दंपति का स्वागत किया और अपनी कला को पहचाना। एक ऐसा शब्द जो आप सभी जानते हैं वो क्या है जिसे देना और लेना गलत है। चलिए इसी मुद्दे पर थोड़ा गौर करें।
दहेज प्रथा बंद करो। दहेज प्रथा बंद करो। दहेज प्रथा बंद करो।
I don't think it exists now. This is all a drama. No one is taking Dahej nowadays.
Oh really? We just take gifts that cost an arm and a leg.
But he didn't ask for it. However, it's just a commandment.
Oh literally, it's not a commandment. It's a peculiar commandment.
तो इसी ताने वाने को देखकर आप समझ ही गए हो कि मैं किस शब्द की बात कर रही थी और मैंने और मेरे नाटिका के सदस्यों ने आप सभी को इस दहेज प्रथा के प्रति जागरूक करना चाहा है। आखिरी में मैं आप सभी से कुछ कहना चाहूँगी। भले ही हमारी जनसंख्या ज़्यादा है लेकिन हम एक दूसरे के साथ मिलजुल कर रहते हैं और एक दूसरे को आगे बढ़ने में मदद करते हैं। आपकी प्यारी नरेटर दिविजा। तो इसी के साथ में मेरे नाटक के बाकी सदस्यों को बुलाना चाहूँगी। धन्यवाद।
जय हिंद।